The fouling community refers to the group of organisms that we see under our bridges, boat hulls, and docks. And this really is one of the most vibrant places to see, and it's such an entertaining place to look around. Even in the dead of winter, when water temperatures dip into the low 50s very often, there is still so much happening around here. In the wintertime, you're always seeing a lot of these glass minnows or Atlantic silver sides. Filefish are very common residents that we see along the sides of the docks. They're always tucked up, hiding in the growth. Looking down at the filefish, you can see just how thin they are. Try not to get disoriented with this camera footage, but this is a mud crab, and it got a little camera shy. This is a little grass shrimp. Keep looking for them throughout the video. They're just about everywhere. Got ourselves a little mud minnow hanging out. This guy looked a little chilly. Speaking of chili, I know this guy is feeling it right now. This is the gray snapper, otherwise known as the mangrove snapper, and it's very common down in Florida.